That's yummy candy.
I'm glad you like it. Maybe you dump it. I don't know.
How? Let's see.
Yep, you finished. Levi just didn't finish opening his because he was eating.
Daddy, look, I'm the
Can you get it?
I'm the stocking hyenas. What's up?
A shark.
Show me your shark, Josiah. Show me your shark.
I'm showing mine. Yeah.
What is it, Levi?
Show me
A
yours.
mean dolphin?
Uh-huh, you got one more thing in there.
Hold on. Here. Stay right there. Sam. Ready?
A sea turtle. Papa. Let me see your
Oh, was that shark getting me?
mean dolphin.
You're stepping on a present here.
Whoa. There's some more. Very cool. Good. Let me see if I can get the tag off.
Filled with? What's in
hair
it?
Tag off.
And a hair tie? There's a hair tie in there? They did that.
This is like a candy cane that we eat.
It is. What's it? What is in it?
Daddy, I bet the turtle's tag off. We can do
Oh,
this.
okay.
I bet your turtle's